Hello everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we've arrived at the gorgeous Arrive Upper Kirby, and this is the lobby. So just want to show off the lobby. We just parked over there. We had valet service parked us over there, and now we're in the lobby. So this is what the lobby looks like. It's really pretty. It's pretty small, basic lobby, but they have some really nice water all ready to go here. You can go here too and just kind of sit and work for a little bit if you like. There's plugs. They even have a piano here. That's very, very cool. You also have some very nice, very gorgeous kind of music playing. So very, very nice upscale, beautiful music. That's the concierge desk. It's 24/7 concierge, so they're always available. They already helped me, by the way. And then you've got a really nice kind of entrance into the mailroom. You also have the elevators just right over there. And there's the mailroom, and then there's some coffee here too. So that's the basic setup for the first floor here at the Arrive Upper Kirby. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And now we're about to go see some apartments.